Hi guys, it's Jeff here, the Photographer's Mentor, and in this short video I'm going to give you a few tips on how to actually do videos for social media if you've never done it before. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a very short introduction. Don't speak for ages, get straight to the point and tell people exactly what the video is going to be about. Also, possibly add a call to action at the end of the video. This will encourage people to engage and do something once the video is finished. Maybe head to your website or take up an offer or book a call or drop you a message. Keep the video short, 5 minutes maximum, but ideally about 2 minutes. If you want people to really engage with your video every time you're posting them, then try and shake them up a bit, make them look a bit different. Change the background and even change your clothing, because when people are scrolling through the news feed and they see the same background and the same clothing every time, they're going to think it's the same video. Be fun, be yourself, and always smile at the start of the video, because that's usually the pause bit that people see when they're scrolling through the news feeds. So if they see a happy smiley face as opposed to a miserable face, they're more than likely going to watch the video. When you've recorded the video, upload it directly to the platform that you're using. Don't put an outbound link to YouTube on Facebook or on LinkedIn, as you'll not get the same amount of engagement as if you uploaded it directly. Use subtitles. Subtitles give you 80% more engagement on videos than videos without subtitles. If you are talking about any links, don't put links in the post that accompanies the video. Put the links in the comment section, and always use a post to accompany the video to tell people about the video, why they should comment on it, and what the video is about. Well, hopefully you found that useful. If you've never done a video before, give it a go. Be yourself, be fun, be passionate, and talk about something you love, you really enjoy. You might be surprised how many people actually engage with it on your first video. Once you've done the first one, then that's it. You're laughing. You'll start doing a lot more. Thanks again, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Take care.